Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to clear a jam from the T50PBN. First you need to remove the pusher by pushing in to unlock and sliding it out of the tool. Next you will need to remove the screw and nut holding the channel in place. Loosen the screw with a screwdriver and nut driver. If you do not have a nut driver, you can use a pair of pliers. Pull down the entire channel. Then clear the jam with a screwdriver. Now reinsert the channel and reinsert the screw and nut, then tighten. Insert a full strip of staples onto the guide rail, sliding them all the way to the front of the tool. Reinsert the pusher until it locks in place. And now you can get back to work.